Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. This is going to be very interesting and this is going to be a brand management का podcast. I've got Arpit with me and आज हम एक जो misconception है, perception बोलो या myth बोलो, we're going to break it up. And that misconception is कि यार tier 2, tier 3 वाले जो बच्चे होते हैं ना वो brand management में नहीं जा सकते. स्विगी जैसी कंपनी में जाके brand building या फिर brand management नहीं कर सकते. I've got Arpit with me. He's from ISBR and he's currently working with Swiggy as an assistant manager in brand management. Arpit, welcome to this podcast.
Thank you.
I really want you to decode the complete process जहाँ पे मेरी ऑडियंस, मेरे बच्चे, मेरे स्टूडेंट ये अंडरस्टैंड करें कि यार एक टीयर 2, टीयर 3 होने के बाद भी हम ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में जा सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर टीयर 1 वाले बच्चा लोगों के लिए ये प्रोफाइल बना है. सो यू टेल मी योर जर्नी, हाउ इट हैपेंड टू यू एंड व्हाट ऑल एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स यू डिड because of which from ISBR to Swiggy.
So I'll start from the very beginning. I
Okay.
was a hospitality graduate. I
Okay.
am a IHM Chandigarh graduate. Graduated back in 2019. So I started my career in the same field. I was working with ITC hotels. I was in Gurgaon for a year and a half. I was a hotels operation trainee over there. So I was into food and beverage service. So I spent a good amount of time there, and when the COVID came, so I thought that this is not going well for me, and I thought ki I want to do something else. So I took a step back, thought ki what can be done, started preparing for my MBA exam, prepared for CAT, SNAP and all these things. So after preparing for CAT, once I was figuring out the colleges to go with, what all options I have, what all domains I have, so I was just figuring out all these things, so I had some spare time. So I thought to gather some experience because I decided that marketing could be a good field for me. I also had a thing for content creation. So I started posting photographs on Instagram, then Reels came and got introduced. So I started posting the short format content also. So the page started picking up a bit. So I thought it's a good field. It aligns with my interests. So I thought it could be a good choice. But I ultimately didn't have details or a plan to figure out how do I ultimately land a job in marketing. So I had heard all the people I used to ask like sales तो करनी पड़ती है marketing वालों को, sales में तो जाना ही पड़ता है. So I thought if I get into a sales job, I'll get to understand कि क्या होता है sales, because to market something, I think getting experience of sales does matter, because ultimately before marketing anything, if you know how well the product sells or how actually the people who are selling your product, what concerns they face, what pain points they have. So that will help you draft your campaigns or execute your campaigns in a way that solves for both customers as well as your sales team. So that's, I think, a good add-on. So I joined Simplilearn as an inside sales specialist. So I was there for...
This is before MBA.
Yes.
Okay.
So I was there for 5-6 months. So it was a good experience. I got to know how actually sales work, how targets are met. So everyone gets scared कि target है यार, अगर target पूरा नहीं होगा तो क्या? तो मतलब this is a myth कि target नहीं पूरा होगा निकाल देंगे. Ultimately they do fire you if you keep underperforming. But the thing is, if you are able to get your targets achieved in a month and अगले महीने miss हो गया या marginal miss हो गया, अगले महीने भी मिस हो गया, and then you are making up for that. So it averages out and ultimately balance हो जाता है. तो anyone who is getting into marketing or getting into sales, if they have this perception कि sales में यही सब होता है, there are many myths that will get burst when you join the field in a person, when you get to experience कि आप कर क्या रहे हो. Because 100 people will have their 100 different opinions. But if you don't go in yourself, you won't get to experience it, and then ultimately you can make up your mind. So sales experience mila, then I got ISBR as my college. So it was a full-time course. So the inductions session started in June. So that is when I joined college.
So how did Swiggy happen to you? Or how did this branch management thing happen to you? तुमने डिसाइड करा था कि मेरे को ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में ही जाना है करके?
Not exactly, like while doing MBA, first year it's a general MBA. You get to learn about like all the core departments, finance, HR, marketing, and basically all the departments you get a zest of. Second year is when you start the specialized studies. Like if you are into marketing, that is when your marketing detail subjects get added, brand subjects get added.
Right.
So all these things happen. So I wasn't very sure that brand thing is for me. But as I deep dived into it, knew more about marketing, what all things are there, I got to know there are n number of roles inside marketing also. It's not only marketing. When I used to think, yeah.
आपका भी परसेप्शन वही था जब आपने MBA चालू किया कि भाई अगर ISBR जाना हो तो सेल्स करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ ऑब्वियसली मतलब एक रहता है कि मतलब यू हैव बीन हियरिंग दिस थिंग कि मार्केटिंग तो बस बोलने का होता है, सेल्स ही करनी पड़ती है सबको.
Absolutely,
एंड मोस्टली पीपल डू ऑल्सो, बट अल्टीमेटली व्हाट मैटर्स इज व्हाट एंड गोल यू आर सेटिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ. सो मेरे लिए क्या था, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग मोर अबाउट कि मार्केटिंग में और क्या कर सकते हैं.
तो ये कैसे फिगर आउट किया, मतलब हाउ डिड यू डू द रिसर्च, लाइक फैकल्टीज ने हेल्प किया, पीयर ग्रुप ने हेल्प किया, और यू नो गूगल डेट सिंपल वे में, ये कैसे यू कम अप विद दिस?
So during our time, ChatGPT was very famous. It got introduced during our time only when we were doing our post graduation. But teachers do help. We were allocated to a mentor, so that mentor was very approachable. Initially, you are paired with a peer. So usually it's a group of 5-6 folks who are all in the same batch, same section. So one of them is so the groups are formed in a way. One or two people who have some work experience, they mentor their peers, and so that it becomes more approachable for them. Ki just say like if you are my peer, I face difficulty in communication, so I might not be that confident to talk to a faculty for that, but you are more approachable for me. So मैं आपसे पूछूंगा कि मैं कैसे improve कर सकता हूँ. आपने मेरे साथ बात की, what all things you felt कि were off, किन चीज़ों पे काम कर सकता हूँ. So that's what sets your base. So then when you move forward, एक आपको teacher allocate होता है, तो that teacher becomes your mentor for that particular trimester.
Okay.
So that teacher mentors you for the internship की आगे internship interviews आने वाले हैं. How to prepare your resume, what all skills if you are targeting for a certain department. तो आपको क्या skills चाहिए होती हैं, what all things you need to add to your resume, what all certifications you can do. So all these things your peers help you as well as your faculty helps you. So that help I had always had at college.
Why brand management? क्या ऐसी चीज़ें थी कि नहीं यार मुझे ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट ही करना है? What is that X factor in brand? जैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में I can tell you, it is the best profile in the world of finance. Lot of money, lot of exposure. I know there is no personal life by the way, but it gives you that kick. भाई मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में हूँ, I'm like top 1% of the finance जनता. ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में ऐसा क्या था?
So why brand marketing is like you said, investment banking is pinnacle of someone in finance.
Absolutely.
So brand team is pinnacle of marketing for anyone. So brand team is what decides what goes out in market, how the brand as whole is perceived by a common person. So campaign comes secondary, but brand voice, brand tone is what comes first, and the brand team is what decides that this is what the brand should be known for. So I wanted to be part of the team which ultimately dictates what actually the brand should stand for.
एक्चुअली ना अगर आप देखोगे ना आपकी कंपनी का जो ब्रांड है राइट, वो एक शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी बनेगा या फिर लेगेसी बनेगा, मुझे लगता है ये ब्रांड टीम डिसाइड कर सकती है.
Yeah, true.
Right. So I think it's that one of the most beautiful profile I would say in the world of marketing. But again यार मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, डोंट माइंड मी आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन अर्पित स्ट्रेट अप. फ्रॉम ISBR जब तुमने डिसाइड करा कि यार मुझे ना ब्रांड बिल्डिंग में चलना है या फिर ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में चलना है, मुझे थोड़ा अनरियलिस्टिक नहीं लगा? बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, मैं इतने बच्चों से बात करता हूँ अर्पित, बच्चे कहते हैं सर टियर 2 टियर 3 सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता कि हम ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में जाए, हमें सेल्स में जाना पड़ेगा, फिर B2B हो, B2C हो, या फिर सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग हो, या फिर तुम्हारा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हो. ब्रांड बिल्डिंग थोड़ा अनफेस्ड ड्रीम लगता है हमें, जो टियर 1 वालों को ऑन द प्लेटर मिल जाता है. तो आपको वो डर नहीं लगा था?
Dar, I won't say dar because see, ultimately, if you are appearing for anything, you have to back it up with the relevant skills.
True that.
So, in case you are aiming for a brand role, also, no matter if you are coming from a tier 2, tier 3, it's not like only tier 1 or IM folks are working in brand roles. Not even for Swiggy, you check out any company.
Okay.
There will be people who are not from tier 1 or IMs. So, there are people. And it also matters that you should be there at the right place at the right time. This is also one thing. But I'll say if you are working towards something, if you have set your eyes on something, that ultimately if you are working towards that, you can land it. It's not an issue. Like I also had this thing back in my mind ki will I be able to make it?
Right.
Maybe I didn't straight away jump into a brand role. We talked about my journey before the MBA. But after the MBA, I didn't simply join Swiggy. The ones who don't know, I started with Scaler. I was there with Scaler for 2-3 months.
Okay.
And that too was a sales profile. So after that, I was appearing for internship interviews for Swiggy for quite some time. So there were 2-3 more profiles for interns, which I had appeared for in past, but I couldn't make to it. So ultimately, one opportunity presented in the brand team. So I was very committed to give interviews in the marketing roles because I ultimately wanted to land a marketing job. So that came in and I applied for the interview. So it was an internship for 6 months. So I had to leave a full-time job to join as an intern. So that was a very difficult call for me to
My
take.
goodness. So I think as far as I understood, okay, what Arpit did is basically फर्स्ट ईयर में सेकेंड ईयर में फिगर आउट कर लिया कि मुझे ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट ही करना है, राइट? एक परसेप्शन था कि टीयर 1 वालों को जल्दी मिल जाता है, बट यू केप्ट योर होप्स ऑन कि नहीं मैं फोड़ूंगा, मैं करूंगा, वो कन्विक्शन था. उसके बाद अपना स्केलर निकला, बट एक नज़र थी कि भाई जहाँ जहाँ ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट की अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी आई एम गोइंग टू बी हॉपिंग ऑन टू इट, राइट? एंड व्हाट यू हैव डन ना, बहुत सारे बच्चे दे डोंट हैव गट्स टू डू दैट, विच इज़ फुल टाइम जॉब छोड़ के बैंगलोर जैसी सिटी में 6 महीने की इंटर्नशिप करना, इतना बड़ा बेट लेना खुद के ऊपर, इतना बड़ा रिस्क लेना, बट फाइनली यू मेड इट. आई थिंक दैट वाज ऑल योर कन्विक्शन. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सो वी अंडरस्टूड योर एंटायर स्टोरी एंड बहुत सारा मेहनत, बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क, राइट? बट अभी जो बच्चे हैं जिनको लगता है कि यार ISBR हो या फिर ISBR लाइक कॉलेजेस हो, राइट? यहाँ पे अगर हम एडमिशन लेते हैं और ये टीयर 2 टीयर 3 जो कॉलेजेस हैं, यहाँ से अगर हमें ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में जाना है, ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जिनके सपने हैं कि मुझे भी ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में वेंचरिंग करना है. आई वॉन्ट टू गिव देम अ रोड मैप कि ये बच्चे कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ईयर 1 ऑफ MBA, देन ईयर 2, एंड इसमें आपको कैसे रेज्यूम बिल्ड करनी है, क्या चीज़ें आपको अपनी CV पे चाहिए, क्या एटीट्यूड आपको रखना चाहिए, सो दैट यू कैन गेट इनटू ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट टीयर 2 एंड टीयर 3 जनता. व्हाट वुड यू एडवाइस?
I'll start with, like you rightfully said, ki attitude matters more than anything. I also am a believer of the same. So, in my opinion, if someone is coming to a similar college like an ISBR or ISBR, so what they need to understand is that the aim you are setting for yourself, the work going in towards that starts from the day one. Because usually we have this laid back attitude that कि अभी तो starting का time है, placement तो अभी 2 साल बाद है, तब देखेंगे, internship 1 साल बाद है, तब देखेंगे.
That's the point.
And people just pass time, spend time with friends. I know college life is fun. I know what all things we all do. We all have been there and done that. But ultimately, it's better to realize it sooner than later. Because if you have clarity at the inception of your course, so that helps you a lot because you will figure out the right company for yourself. So in terms of skill, if I say basics do matter, because such as like marketing basics, if we say
Conceptual understanding.
conceptual,
ब्रांडिंग क्या होता है, पोजिशनिंग क्या होता है, मार्केटिंग. ओके, फेयर इनफ.
because no one at day one of your job will tell you to run a pan India campaign.
सही बात है.
And if you are joining as an intern or at a smaller level, your expectations and the demand and the expectation that job has from you as a candidate, those might be way too apart. So to bridge that gap, that is where the skill set matters. So basics, like in my interview also, like for the internship interview that I had, so basics did help a lot because and your understanding of campaign knowledges, what the recent campaigns are. You need to think as a marketer if you want to go into marketing. Like there was good feedback that I got from my manager during my internship. Like whenever you are seeing an ad, don't see it as an ad or an audience for that ad. See it as a marketer. Think what could have been the brief that went beside in creation of that ad. When you start doing that, you are working back to front to back. You are seeing the end product and you are descaling it to understand what the structure was there behind it.
Got it.
So changing approach where it is needed does help you build the perspective that might help you in the future. So talking about exact skills, I won't say that I would know about all the skills, but if someone is eyeing for a brand role, do focus on your basics because they go a long way.
कॉम स्किल्स मैटर करता है अर्पित?
Could you come again?
कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में?
I think yes.
ओके, आई थिंक डिपेंड करता होगा ना ब्रांड, बिकॉज अभी स्विगी और जोमेटो के बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे, इट्स मोर ऑफ कैंपेनिंग. HUL के लिए मैं जाऊँगा तो कुछ अलग सा फंडा वहाँ पे होगा. बैंक्स के लिए अगर कोई ब्रांड मैनेजर होगा तो वो अलग से काम करेगा. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग.
See, if you look at it from the answer that I just gave, ultimately industry is changing. but the basics will remain the same.
agreed.
So if there's an STP,
हाँ 4 piece 7 piece वो सब सेम रहेगा हाँ
only the details will be changing, the target audience will be changing, and how you pitch that product out in the market. All those things will change, but basics will stay basics only. Your that will act as a foundation. No matter what you build a villa, you build a sky rise.
yeah.
So basics do matter. Do focus on basics before jumping onto the advanced skill sets.
और सेल्स का बैकग्राउंड हेल्प करता है ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट में वेंचर करने के लिए
I won't say completely. It's a personal perception. It was my perception that if I have to market something, I should know how it is sold. Like if someone is going into a FMCG company like ITC, so if they want to crack a brand role over there, and if they don't know how their supply chain works, how their sales team works, so I'm not saying if a person doesn't know about it can't be a good brand manager. But if they know about it, they could be more detailed when they are coming up with certain campaigns or certain inputs on something that the team is working on. So I think that ultimately helps, but it depends person to person. If a person is completely shut off to working in sales and they simply want to target a brand role only, that's ultimately their own perception, I think.
सो अर्पित भाई थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट मैं एक चीज़ आपको कहूँगा टुवर्ड्स द क्लोजर मेक अम वॉट अगर तुमने डिसाइड करा है अगर तुम्हारा सपना है जैसे अर्पित ने मेहनत करा भाई तुम लगे रहो गेम में एक दिन आएगा जहाँ पे तुमको वो ड्रीम प्रोफाइल वो ड्रीम कंपनी मिलेगा फॉर श्योर अर्पित वी बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम वी कुड नॉट गो ऑन एंड ऑन फॉर दिस बट आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट यू टुक सम टाइम आउट ये अपना जॉब वगैरह खत्म करके यहाँ पे आया है अभी रात के 7:30 बजे वी आर शूटिंग दिस सो थैंक यू सो वेरी मच and you know proud alumni of ISBRR. I mean I'm very sure they are really happy and you know I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, Ketan.
Guys, make sure that you hit like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much Arpit.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.